What is the intrinsic nature of life but that of pure emptiness? This emptiness lives not as something that would frighten, but awaken, bring realization, offer insight. Yes, only through our emptiness do we find the beauty of our life. A mind that is no longer held to thought has the capacity for great love. This love can be shared in so many different ways. Won't you help us make new programs that offer people more than just mere hope, but offers them the direct path to the absolute emptiness that creates love?